Hi, I'm Lila Devi, founder of Spirit in Nature Essences for Perfect Well-Being. This is number 14 in a series of 20 videos with the intention of helping to familiarize you with our line of 20 flower essences. And we're following the order of our essence spectrum chart. Today, we'll be talking briefly about apple essence for peaceful clarity. If you think about the fruit of the apple, it always comes to mind, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, we might even say an apple essence a day keeps away the unwanted thoughts that sometimes spring into our minds that are not so clear, maybe a little bit worried or troubled, to keep us fresh, very much like the feeling you have when biting into a freshly picked, crisp apple. For peaceful clarity and inner strength, apple essence will help you to be calmly active and actively calm amidst life's swirl of activity. It's for people who want to eliminate doubt, fear, or worry, and for children to reinforce clarity in their attitudes. Also for pets with chronic health problems or who in fact may sense the health-related fears of their owners. Apple essence enhances the following qualities: healthy and magnetic attitudes, an abundance of psychologically nourishing thoughts, hope, motivation to take better care of yourself, and lastly, for a positive outlook. The many benefits of Spirit in Nature essences are much enhanced when used with affirmations. Now, if you'd like to, I invite you to repeat after me the apple essence affirmation. With a crisp, clear attitude toward life, I view my problems with ever-fresh solution consciousness. With a crisp, clear attitude toward life, I view my problems with ever-fresh solution consciousness. We're glad you were able to visit us online today at www.spiritinnature.com with 2 dashes. That's spirit-in-nature.com. Our hope for you is a life filled with perfect well-being.